Good morning, guys. Yeah, other day I was talking about JUnit tool. We have seen how to write the basic test by using @test methods, which are called test case methods. The place where test case methods are placed are called test case class. And if you want to disable any test case method temporarily, we have to use @disabled. That's good. If you want to check whether expected exception is coming or not, we have to use assert throws. If you want to check whether expected results are matching with what actual results are not, we have assert equals. Okay, now tell me, you will write test case method on quantity of inputs or variety of input? We'll go by variety. We will not go by quantity. If inputs are not there, we always go by variety of input. We never go by what? Quantity of input. Agree with me, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay, that's good. Let's see. Junaid. What is our workspace, guys? Switch workspace. Tools FS 906. Let me open our document. File open. eDrive class content. Tools FS 906. What is there? JUnit. That's good. We have life cycle methods, guys. We have life cycle method. By using special annotation, we can make normal methods as what? Life cycle method. Setup ones, clear ones must be taken as static method. They execute one for entire test case class. So generally one-time execution, initialization logic, uninitialization logic we can place there. So suppose instead of creating service class object, main class object in every test method, you can create only for one time in what? Setup once method, which is having what annotation? Before all annotation. And you can nullify such object references in tear down method, nothing but what? After all method. Okay, this is a JUnit life cycle, guys. Before all executes one for one time. Before each, before each, after each. Execute with respect to each test method. Again, observe another test method before each, after each. But before all and after all will execute only for one time or not there. For example, in every test method, I want to have a new connection object that I can write in what? Getting new connection object, I can write in before each. Closing that connection object, I can place in after each. Come on. Say something, guys. Okay. Getting new connection object, I can place in what? Before each. Closing that connection object, I can place in what? After each. Everyone getting my point, my dear? Come on. Executes once before executing all these test cases. Execute before each test case. Execute after each test case. Executes once at the end of what? All the test cases. So now I'm interested to add those methods. I want to improvise my code, guys. So go to this place, close to this. I don't want to disturb anything, guys. JUnit pros 2. What is their life cycle methods? What methods, guys? Life cycle methods. Here is my word, life cycle methods. That's good. Bank management service. Bank management service. This I am not touching, guys. Bank management app test. What is there? Bank management app test. Are you there with me, guys? Come on. Yeah, tell me. Yeah. Test calculate simple interest with what? Small values. Expected. Now I will bring everything into picture, guys. Private static. Bank management service. Why static? Because before all and after all should be taken as a static method. Inside the static method, only static data is visible now, guys. And that's the reason. Public static void setup once. What is there? Setup. Yeah, tell me here. At the rate before all. Systrace service is equal to bank management service. Service is equal to bank management service. Okay, tell me, public void, clear ones, or tear down ones also. You can take any name. Clear ones. At the rate after all. At the rate after all. At the rate service is equal to null. What is equal to null, guys? At the rate service is equal to null. I'm nullifying it, nothing else. Okay, now? Now, okay. Now, public void setup. Right now, there is no, here is what? At the rate before each. Systrace. Yeah, this they will execute after each test method or not there. Public void tear down. Systrace. What is there? Tear down. Is that clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. Yes. That's great. JUnit pros 2 life cycle method. Okay. I think I have to take after each. I think this one, at the rate after each. Yeah, here I'm taking what? At the rate after each. That's good. Tell me next one. Before all I have taken nicely now. Before all is there. Yeah, static only there. After all, yeah, public void, public static void. Yeah. But since we are taking this life cycle method, we should have advantage for that. Is there any need of creating this? No. Get actual results. Is there any need of creating this, guys? No. No. Next. Here, anyhow, I'm not creating. Okay, here also I'm creating remove. Next. Done. Tell me here. Yes. Done. Okay. This is the story that we are taking up or not there, guys. Okay, that's great. This is the story that we are taking up. That is really taking up. That's good. Fine. Okay. Now, let's see what is there. JUnit Pros2 lifecycle methods, guys. Run on server, boss. Sorry, not run on server. We have to run the test cases are not there, guys. Definitely we need to run the test cases. Let's see how to run the test cases. Run as a JUnit test. Yeah, one is ignored, guys. Remaining all are working now. That means I saved memory. Earlier in every test method I created object. But this time I created service object once and I used many times or not. Okay, look at the console. Set up once only for one time. Okay, clear once only for one time. Where is clear ones not coming? Systrate is not kept, it seems. Yeah, not kept. Systrace. Stop this. Right click, run as a JUnit. Here is what? Set up once. Here is what? Clear once. Only for one time for all test cases. This is first test case method. Set up here, clear down. Array test method is calling the business method. Fine. Second test case method, it's related setup and clear down. It's one. Okay. Next. Next one is what, guys? Setup, tear down. This is next test case method or not there, guys? Set up this next test case. Set up this next test case. Is it happening or not there? I want reply, my dear. Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not there? That's after all and before all method of test case class level test case class level one time executing blocks. Before each and after each methods are what? Each test case level repeatedly executing blocks. What blocks, guys? Repeatedly executing blocks. I'm getting my point there, guys. If test case class is having 20 methods as test methods, then before all, after all method execute only for what? One time. Before each, after each method execute for what? 20 times on one per each test method basis. What basis, guys? One per each test method basis. Comfortable, my dear? Come on. Okay. Use cases for JUnit lifecycle method, guys. Okay. At the rate before all. To initialize service class object required in what? All the test method. After all. To nullify service class object reference used in what? All the test methods. At the rate before each. To get each JDBC connection object from what? JDBC connection pool required in each test method execution. After each, to return or close JDBC connection object back to connection pool that is used in what? Each test method. That is used in what? Each test method. I just know I talked about all these things. And we know that why we have to take separate connection object. For every persistence operation, better to use separate connection object or better to see all of them are using same connection object. Already I discussed. Yeah, if multiple requests are using same connection, there's a possibility of getting some problems or not there. It's recommended to use separate connection object for every persistence operation on the database software. That means if your application is performing 10 persistence operation, then we need to use what? 10 JDBC connection objects. So if any persistence activity performs con.dot rollback method, that should not affect what? Other uncommitted persistence operation. That should not affect what? Other uncommitted what? Persistence operations. Are you understanding my statement, my dear? Come on, everyone. Super. Let's see. The Java class that contains business logic is called service class. The Java class that contains persistence logic is called DAO class. We don't write test case separately for a DAO class method because DAO class methods are invoked from what? Service class method. So testing service class method, indirectly testing what? DAO class method. Testing service class method indirectly test what? DAO class method. Got it, guys? Yes. How to test private method of service class? We cannot test private method of service class directly. So call them from what? Public methods of service class and write what? JUnit test cases on public methods to perform unit testing. This helps to test private methods what? Indirectly. This helps to test private methods what? Indirect. Convinced, boss? Come on, everyone. Examples on assert true and assert false. Because unit testing is not just assert equals with a delta, without delta. No. We have to think about other concepts also now, my dear. Come on. Assert true and assert false also we have to see. But before going there, I can check whether a given business method is completed in the expected time frame or not. If completed, test case true, succeeded. If not completed, test case is failed. If completed, success is succeeded. If not completed, what? Test case is what? Failed. Everyone understanding my statement, my dear? Come on. In one angle, test case is succeeded. In other angle, test case is what? Failed. No, no doubt in that. Are you getting my point, my dear? Come on. Okay. Let's see what we can do. Yeah. I'll make this method. I'll make this simple interest method taking more time to complete the business activity. Thread dot sleep some 50,000 seconds. Here is what? Try. Here is catch. Exception E. E dot print stack trace. We are getting thread dot sleep or not there, guys? We are definitely getting what, guys? Thread dot sleep. What do you say, guys? Come on, everyone. We're definitely getting what? Thread dot sleep. Tell me. Got it. Bank management service application test. Yeah. Tell me, guys. Test calculate interest amount. Time frame is execution. Yeah. Right. Now let's see. Assert timer. Assert timeout. Is there now, guys? Assert timeout. Duration dot of milliseconds, because milliseconds or minutes, anything you can give, but I'll give milliseconds only. $50,000 milliseconds. You should not take more than 50,000 milliseconds. I'm okay. 51,000 also okay. 50,001, 50,010. Because for other things, milliseconds, na? Right. For which method? Regular one. Bracket. Service dot. Calculate simple interest. Okay, you can give any value. Right now, I'm not going by values. I'm going by time. Okay. So already I kept thread dot sleep 50,000, but here I have taken what? 50,010. I have taken how much, guys? 50,010 or 5,010? Here how much? 50,000. Here one more zero I have to add now, guys. Yes. Yeah. Principal amount 3 lakh. 12. Rate of interest. Rate of interest to. Whether it is taking that much amount of time or not. I just want to check whether it is taking that much amount of time or. That's great. Tell me. Or right click. Tell me. Run as. No, sorry. We will run it. Run as JUnit test. Yeah, now it takes time for each because wait for some time. Why? Or every test method calls a business method. Everywhere it has to wait or not there. So many 50,000s we have to take. But right now we are worried about this one, guys. Okay, otherwise next execution will reduce the time. 50,000 milliseconds means this. Who are done. I don't have that much patience, guys. I don't have that much patience. Temporarily, I'll disable few things. I'm keeping only time frame one. Yeah, it is waiting for 50,000 seconds to complete. Wait. This is JUnit. All are disabled. Only two things are there. Right now it is in what? The one. Yeah. This is success or failure. Still not there. Yeah. Clear once executed means this is done. Look at this. Happily that is happening or not there, guys. Time frame. Within the time frame it is completed or not there. No, sir. I'll go for other one. Here I am sleeping for 20,000. 20,000. Here I am expecting to complete the things in what? 19,000 milliseconds. I'm asking to complete the task by what? 19,000 milliseconds. That's great. Tell me. Right click, run as, what is there? JUnit test. Yeah. See, this error has come or not there. Exceeded timeout of 19,000 milliseconds by 1004 millisecond. It is taking more than 1004 milliseconds. Interesting or not there? That means not only output generation, we are going to check, we are going to test in how many minutes, in how many milliseconds the task has to be complete. So I'm even able to check how much time it should take to complete the task. If not taken, fine. If taken, good. If not taken, you are going to make the sure that test is failed or not there, guys. Okay, that's great. Okay, now I want to write more test cases, guys. So in service class, I'm writing is palindrome one thing. Okay, I'm writing code for that. More examples on assert triplex methods. Is palindrome one thing? Show date and time. Okay, here I want to use assert same, assert not same kind of thing. Okay, some setup guys. Test palindrome. Show date by valid month. Assert null. Assert not null. Okay. Assert same, assert not same. Like these multiple things, I want to go for it. So now next concentration is on what? More on assert triplex method. See, lots of people think that JUnit means assert equals. No, not only assert is there are many other things to use. So shall we focus on how to deal with other options, guys? Copy paste JUnit 3. Here is my assert triplex methods. More assert triple X methods. More what? Assert triple X. Go to this place. Service is there, guys. Bank management service. Okay. Here I will write. What's the class name? Because here I want to write different business methods. Okay. Service operation. What is there? Service operation. Operations. Here I have taken what? Service operations. Simply, literally, I'm taking what, my dear? Service operations. What operations, guys? Service operate. Here, public boolean. Okay. Is palindrome. String text. I want to check whether given text is what? Palindrome text or madam. You reverse it again, madam will come. Next. Newton, huh? Newton is like that? No. No, not Newton. Madam is one thing. Next, Malayalam. Mom. What? Race car. Okay. Dad. Fine. Mom, dad. Anything? Anything else? Madam, come to this dunya. Come to this dunya. Right. Okay. No, those two are very busy discussing some personal problems. Okay. Right. Yeah, such words, guys. What I should do? Just reverse and compare. And luckily, reverse method is not there in string class, but reverse method is there in string buffer class. Right? Yeah. Reverse the text. Reverse the text. String rev text is equal to new string string builder or string buffer or string builder. New string builder of text dot reverse. Yeah, that also written string builder only. I'm saying dot to string. I'm simply saying what dot to string. Compare both strings. What is there, guys? Compare both strings. Simply, literally, what is there? Compare both string. Written test equals. If matched, true. If not matched, false. That's good. Date. Create date by values. What is there? Create date by values. Int year, int day, int month. Public date, create date by values. Are you understanding my statement, my dear? Come on. Public date, create date by values. Int year, int day, int month. Are you getting my point, my dear? Come on. If year is greater than 0 and day is less than, greater than 1, greater than 0 and year is less than, what's the current year, guys? 2026. Day is greater than 1 and what is there? Day is less than 30. Next, month is greater than 1. Okay, I'll mention 1900. I don't want to allow many things. Month is greater than or equal to 1. Month is less than or equal to 12. Then, what is there? Written new date. Written new date. Year, comma. Month, comma, date. But that is deprecated. Nowadays, no one is using. That's why better to change the data type to this. Here, what is there? Local date dot off. Written local date dot off. Year, comma, month, comma, day. Yes. Tell me next one. Else. Written null. Else, what is there? Return null. Are you getting my point there, guys? Create date by values. We're trying to get the date by what? Values. Okay, that's great. That's good, guys. Now tell me next one. I want to cover all permutations and combinations, guys. Class. What operations? Service operations test. Service operations test. What is there? Service operations test. Okay, fine. Private service operations. Private static service operation service is equal to public void. Tell me setup once. Public void setup once. Service is equal to service is equal to new service operation. Public static. Void. Clear down once. Here is my before all. Here is my before all. Here is my this. Service is equal to null. What is equal to null, guys? Service is equal to null. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Yeah, that's good. Public static void setup one. Service is equal to new service operation. Public static void clear down once. Service is equal to null. What is equal to null, guys? Service is equal to null. Yeah, tell me next one. Tell me, what is the story that we have to focus, my dear? Come on. One is before, other one. Before which is now not required because last time for proof purpose I kept, guys. This time not required. Sys trace. Here also I am writing sys trace. Here also I am writing what, guys? Sys trace. That's good. Tell me. Public void. Public void test is palindrome. Is palindrome with positive data. Test is palindrome with what? Positive data. Are you getting my point, my dear? Come on. Yes. Test is palindrome with positive data. Yeah. How to test at the rate test. Okay. Okay. Now first. Right. Tell me. Assert true. What is there? Assert true. Service dot. Service dot. Is palindrome of madam. Okay. Now let's go for static import, guys. Yeah. If madam gives true, it checks whether true has come or not. No expected and actual, guys. Here is expecting assert true, expecting true. This method is giving true or not. Okay. Only two possibilities are there here. Copy this with the negative data. Negative data. Madam 1 1. This 1 1 also repeating, guys. Palindrome nata. Sure. Is it palindrome or not? Is it palindrome or not? Yes, sir. Okay, it's not. Okay, na? Fine. But then what should I do? Assert to false. What is there, guys? Assert to false. Okay. That's good. Assert to true and assert to false are covered. To get the feeling these are executing. Public wide. Public wide. Test. Test. What is the method I have to test? Create date. Create date by values with positive data. With what data, guys? Positive data. Are you understanding my statement, my dear? Come on. Yeah. Public wide test create date by values. With what data, guys? Positive data. Simply it what, guys? Positive data. Tell me. Assert not null. Assert not null. Assert not null. Here I am passing service dot create date by 1901 10th 20th day 10th. When I pass this positive values, everything object should be created. Object should be created means null is not written, na boss. I'm just checking whether null is written or not null is written. With negative data. What data, guys? Negative. -20, -10. Null should come or not there? Any negative number null should come or not there, guys? Look at the service operation. This should be matched. Everything should be matched, guys. Then only object. Local data object. Otherwise, okay, it should return null. Okay, it should return null. Okay, I'm checking whether null is returned or not. I'm creating situation for everything, guys. Nothing. Okay, in spring classes, I have discussed how to create a singleton class. Okay, for singleton class, how many objects can be created? One. But number of references can be more or not there. To check whether two reference variables are pointing to same object or different object, we can use assert same, assert not same. For to test that, array, generally when you have a singleton class, how many references are you create? All of them will refer to same object or not there. Okay, we have ready-made singleton classes are there. User-defined singleton classes are there, right? Okay, today I'll take one ready-made singleton class. Public void test. Runtime. Runtime is, tell me. Runtime is singleton. We know that runtime is predefined singleton class, but I want to double confirm it. Okay. Yeah, what runtime class object will do, guys? It will get access to runtime of the entire Java application or not there. For one application, how many runtimes will be there? Only one. How many times you ask to give me runtime from runtime class? It will give same old runtime or not there? It will give same old runtime class object or not there, guys? Okay. Runtime time one. Get runtime. Runtime time two. Runtime dot get runt. Runtime time one, runtime dot get runtime time two, runtime dot get runtime. So actually this is singleton, guys. Singleton means what? Number of references are more, but all of them will point to same object or not there. Number of references may be more, but all of them will point to same object or not there, guys. Okay. Tell me, what is there? Assert. Assert time. Time one, time two. Assert same time one, time two. Okay. I'm checking all this stuff, but I'm not keeping at the rate test. Test runtime is singleton or not. Okay. Test local date is not singleton. What is there? Test local date is not singleton. I have to check whether local date is what? Singleton or not. Check whether local date is not singleton. Okay, fine. Public void test local date is not singleton. Yeah, check it out. Local date LDT. Local date dot of 2010 10th month. What is there? 20th date. That is LDT. Next one. Here is my LDT one, guys. Yes. Here is my LDT 2. 2015, 10/20. I'm not passing same dates. Okay, if you pass same date also, no problem, right? Okay. Yeah, tell me guys, they should be matched or not, should not matched or not? Assert. Assert is not same. Expected LDT, unexpected LDT. Expected is LDT, unexpected is what? LDT. Yeah, tell me. Cis trace. Tell me. What is there, guys? Cis trace. Are you understanding my statement, my dear? Come on. Got the clarity, my dear? Test, 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 test. Yes, we are ready with it. Now we have covered total 6 methods. Assert true, assert false, assert same, assert not same, assert null, assert not null. Okay, for testing assert same, not same, singleton class is taken. Ready-made singleton class is taken. Whether both references are pointing to same object or not. Yeah. Okay, now you run this. It will run only second one. Yeah. Check it out. Green color. Local date is not singleton. True. Test with positive data. Palindrome with positive data. Madam is that. Negative data. Come on. Show date by values. Positive data. Yes. Palindrome with negative data. It's working, right? Okay. Is test runtime is singleton or not? Yes. Test create date values with negative values. Whenever I give negative values, I am getting that exception or not there. Whenever I give negative values, data object is created or not created. It is creating null. I am checking whether null has come or not there, right? So that means we have assert triplex method for every permutation and combination or not there. Check it out. Palindrome. So data with valid month. Here I am taking only valid, guys. Okay, so date is displaying some exception. Check it out. If a day month is in given the range, create the data object. Otherwise, return null. Don't entertain such on this. Valid month, okay. Invalid month, okay. Say I'm creating how many objects for runtime? 2. In fact, one object I'm trying to access twice. Time 1, time 2. Test singleton is local time or not. I got 2 local time objects. I checked assert not same. Happily it's coming or not there, guys. What's the difference between assert equals and assert same? First of all, tell me what is the difference between equals method and double equal to operator? Speak out, guys. Equals method and what? Double equal to operator. Equals method and what? Double equal to operator. You are answering or acting as if you are answering? Huh? Hello, Cap Madam. Can you focus here? Cap Madam, focus. Equals checks content of the two given objects or a given content. Double equal to operator checks whether given two references are pointing to same object or whether given two references are pointing to same object or not. That's it. Whether given two references are pointing to same object or not. That's a task that is expecting or not there, guys. Okay. What is the difference between assert equals and assert same methods? Assert equals method checks the given content directly or content of given two objects. Assert same method checks whether given two references are pointing to same object or not. It's like double equal to operator. This is like equals method. One is like double equal to operator. One is what? Equals. I hope you understood, guys. Yeah. Fine. So assert same internal uses double equal to operator. Assert equals internal uses equals method. One compares the content. Other one checks whether given two references are pointing to same object or not. Whether given two references are pointing to what? Same object or not. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Summary table on assert triplex methods. What's there? Summary table on assert triplex methods of JUnit with example code. Assert equals checks two values are equal or not. 180 EMP dot get salary. Assert not equal 200 EMP dot get salary. Assert true. Assert true is greater than or equal to 80. Assert false list dot is empty. I just want to check whether it is empty or assert null. Assert null EMP dot get main. Assert not null. Assert not null EMP. Assert same. Both references are pointing to same object or not. Assert same EMP1, EMP2. Assert not same EMP1, EMP2. Assert array equals. It will check two arrays whether both arrays are having same data or not. Compare collections and iterable. Assert iterable equals. Or it will check whether two list collections are having same data or not. Assert line match. Compares line by line next. Assert line match. Expected lines and what? Actual lines. Assert throws. Verify exception is thrown or not. Assert does not throw. Verifies no exception is thrown. Assert timeout. Verifies whether task is completed in the given time frame or not. 2 seconds task. Assert timeout primitively. Stop execution if timeout exceeds the limits. Stop execution if timeout. Fail. Explicitly fails the test. Fail. Test failed internally. Test failed. You know, we are wantedly failing. If exception comes, I want to fail it. If exception not comes, that's fine. If exception comes, I want to fail it. Same references, true false condition, not null, object existence check, throws, exception is raised, does not throw, no exception is expected, timeout, performance check, fail, force test net. Yeah, I have to fill the color. Yeah, very few methods are there. Assert true is there. Assert true. You have to copy remaining things. Here is my what, guys? Assert false. I think you got the clarity on it, guys. Okay. Okay, remaining things fine. That's good. Assert throws. Oh, still not over. Assert throws. Last only. After that is there, guys. Does not throw. Right? Does not throw timeout. This. Okay. Now I want to see one example on fail. Example on fail. Test fail output is what? Test failed intentionally. Okay, fail to an exception, not throw. Okay, test division into result by 10 by 2, fail. Fail, catch. Okay, when you are calling business method with arithmetic exception was expected. Catch. Example 3, validate the business logic. Test user registration. Boolean registered is equal to false. If not registered, fail. If not registered, fail. Okay. Modern JUnit 5 alternate. In JUnit 5, no one is using fail, guys. They are looking for what? Alternate. What is the alternate they are looking for? Integer percent ABC, fail. Number format exception is this. Okay, number format exception dot class. Okay, same fail we can write as what? Assert throws. Still fail also works, guys, for backward compatibility. Okay, same thing can be brought in the form of what? Assert throws are not there. Assert throw is clear and more expensive for exception testing, while fail is used for unexpected exception paths and what? Failure messages. Earlier, people used to solve all these problems by using assert fail. Okay, but now in that place, what is there? Assert throws has come are not there, especially when exception is rising, guys. Especially when exception is rising, it is giving me what, guys? Assert throws, right? Okay. Tell me. Go to service operations. Public double division. Public double this division. Double value one. Public double div. Double value one, value two. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me, guys, what is there? Return value one by val. Return value one by val two. Public wide. What is there? Yeah. Public wide test. Test division with correct inputs. With what, guys? Correct values. Tell me. Double result is equal to. What is equal to? Double result is equal to service dot. What dot, guys? Service dot division. Double result is equal to service dot division 100 comma 0. 100 comma 0. 100 by 0 is error, na boss? When I call this method, I should say error should come, right? Yeah. No success failure, guys. Fail. Okay. Error is expected here. Error is expected here because I'm trying to divide what? 100 with 0. Divide by 0 expected or not there, guys? Error is expected here. Definitely error is expected here, right? Not the success, not the see here. You call method with that problem. I just want to check. I'm not expecting result. I'm expecting what here? Yeah, what is there? At the rate test. At the rate test. That's fine. Tell. Service operations test run as a JUnit. Test div with correct values. Divide by 0 expected here. What is there? Divided by 0. No, it's giving our message only, boss. It is giving what? Our message only. Did you notice this, guys? This is our message only, na, my dear. Come on. This is definitely our message or not there. But why red color? Yeah, it is red color because failure. Okay, since it's counted as what? Failure. Okay, it is showing number 1 or not there. When you want to say I'm expecting, but this is very bad. That's why they have come up with what? Assert throws. You tell the exception what is going to come, whether your exception and what my exception is matching or not. We are going to check both exceptions are going to match or not. That sounds great. So anyhow, failures was there before JUnit 5 arrival. It was popular in JUnit 4, not so popular in JUnit 5. Because similar effect we can bring with logical thinking by using what? Assert throws. We can happily work with what? Assert throws option or not there. I think you got the clarity, guys. Okay. What's the difference between assert equals and assert not same? One compares the content of the two objects. Other one to compare whether both reference variables are taken from same one. Both reference variables are pointing to what? Same object. Yes, let me upload the document. I think all documents are uploaded, but today some edition is done. Let me update that edition. This one? No, this one is yours. Oh, DevSec apps, na? 2026. This one only, na? What? I'm not selecting DevSec apps. Yeah. Yeah. JUnit. File upload. Class content. Tools FS 906. What is there? J. Okay. Got it, guys? Yes. I complete uploading everything, guys. Yeah. That's good. Session 1, 2. Okay, one more session is still left on JUnit or not there? Right, guys. Thank you. Have a nice time. When we meet tomorrow, we'll talk more on JUnit. Some more permutations and combinations are there on JUnit. Yes, we'll discuss.